am back with another video for y'all about my previous load. When I got out of the shower, I was ready, you know, I was thinking that I was gonna start right away or whatever. But guess what? My dispatcher had us stay the whole night, and then I am now on my way to go to California to pick up a load, which is not until tomorrow. So basically, we stay at the gas station overnight. It is currently 4:20 right now. I was like, yo, what's going on? I'm not gonna sit here, so I need to run. If you don't have load, let me know so I can head home and, you know, find something else to do. But he got us going 750 miles dead end. So we're gonna sleep again over at this gas station in California because this load is not until tomorrow. So the pickup is at 1 p.m. tomorrow. So we're gonna see what's going on. And this one is going to Texas. You know what they said, everything is big in Texas. So I'm about to show you guys everything like I've been doing on all my videos. So just subscribe to the channel, like, comment, let me know what y'all think. I'm looking forward, guys, to share this trip with you from California to Texas, guys. Yep, you already know. So whatever goes up must come down, right? So I showed you guys how it was going up. Now going down hard. It's smooth. But you gotta really be careful because you gotta really be careful when you're going down on the hill. You can't be speeding. If anything, use your engine brake. Use your engine brake instead of using your brake pedal. Look at the CR England truck that passed me. This one gonna pass me now, but I'll let him go. I'll let him go. I'll catch y'all later. I'll catch y'all later. Go on. Yes, guys, this is my favorite. Going through those. It's my favorite part right here. Man, I had to take a nap. I didn't drive much last night, so I took a nap and I woke up like an hour ago and I started driving again. Right now I'm in Utah. I'm in Utah, guys, so I'm going to Wisconsin. So I'm gonna keep uploading video for you guys. But I need some new content. Tell me what you guys want me to talk about. Share a few with me in the comments so I can make more videos for you guys. I'm in Utah right now. It's really nice. I like this road. It's I-15. I-15. I'm not able to flip the camera, so I didn't want to do it. Be on the lookout for more videos. Yeah, but look at this view, guys. Nice. Yeah. Look at it. Look at it. This CR England truck just passed me. I'm pretty sure it's empty. not even speeding. I guess the way they program this camera is like if you go over 70, it's keep saying, please reduce your speed. Please reduce your speed. But the street that I'm in right now, which is 80, is the speed limit. And I'm not even doing 80, I'm doing 76. And this freaking camera keeps saying, reduce my speed, reduce my speed. And it's just annoying as hell. And yesterday, I had better just burn out on me. Now my microwave is not working, my fridge is not working. I'm trying to get these people to see if they could buy me a new one, but they just want me to go back to Chicago in the shop so they could try to fix it. These companies, guys, they don't want to spend. They don't want to spend. A lot of them don't really care. They just want you to kind of like jump from A to B. But you know, as a driver, you know what's best for you. So when you run to a company like that, you just pretty much come and go. Don't even stay, because if they can treat you good, why stay? You know. So this is what I'm dealing right now. This thing blew out on me yesterday. Now my refrigerator is not working. My microwave is not working. So how am I supposed to heat up my food? There's no way. So I gotta see what I'm gonna do next. After this load, dropping it off, I gotta go to Chicago to get it better fixed, because I'm not gonna continue driving without it. Because I got stuff in my fridge and I need my microwave. Yep. But anyway, guys, this is a little update for y'all. So should be in Wisconsin by tomorrow. So this load is supposed to be delivered by 9. Hopefully I'll make it by 9 a.m. I still got about 7 hours of my driving time. After that, my co-driver is gonna drive. So I hope I make it by 9. Trip right now, because they like long trip. I like to do like 2,000, 2,500 miles, 3,000 miles. You do it in like 2 days, or 2 days and a half. So you get 2 of those, or maybe 3. You'll make a decent check. But when you're having those wait time and layovers, it just be messing up the whole week for you. And when that happened, man, it's just like you out here you working, but you're not making bread. If that makes sense. it safe. Safety is the first priority, so we gotta make sure we're safe. Yep, but I thought I was gonna be able to deliver by 9. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. 9 o'clock. Delivery time is not gonna be respected because, like I said, the weather is bad. Arriving at the receiver, guys.
Turn right.
Let's park right here real quick. Looks like the shipping is in the back, but to make sure when you get out. Get out and see if I could walk, because sometimes you have to make sure you go and check first, because if you enter some space and now you have a big trailer behind you, you're gonna want to know how to get back. It looks like there's a lot of space over here. Looks like there's a lot of space. Receiving. Maybe that's the building over there. Alright guys, I'm gonna keep y'all update.